Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to my channel Degen Kid, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about Ethereum and just taking a look at the crypto market as a whole. So with the market at the moment, so we can see we're down 0.1% in the last 24 hours, and global crypto market cap at the moment is 969 billion. So Bitcoin is down, a lot of the major altcoins are down. However, Ethereum is trading fairly well in the last 24 hours. So we're up 1.2%, and we're currently at 1,346 46k. So 1,346 from a price perspective. And yeah, so in the last 7 days we're also up 3.1%. So you can see ETH is handling itself pretty well. A lot of the other major altcoins are pretty much down today. So if we take a look at the Ethereum chart, so I've got this basically trading on the daily, and if we just zoom in here, so we can see we're currently trading on the upper end of the Bollinger Bands, and we're close to the 50-day moving average. So this purple line here is the 50-day. The kind of longer term trend is downwards, but we're currently hitting that trend line. So we're currently at that resistance of the trend line. If we do break that trend line, we'll probably end up towards the 50-day moving average, and if we hit that, potentially we could bounce higher than that as well. And our next level of resistance will be so currently around 1,470 or so. So yeah, it depends. If we can break these trend lines, then there's the potential that we could see Ethereum moving up, especially in the short instance anyways, up to around 1,470, and potentially even further than that as well, to 1.6. But it really depends if we can get a strong close and start to break some of these trend lines here. So yeah, currently it looks good, and yeah, we just need to see where we close today. But that's kind of my short-term prediction for ETH, which way we could potentially move if these trends are broken. However, nothing that I say in these videos is financial advice. So obviously, guys, do your own research, but this is just purely my opinion. And I guess one of the reasons why ETH is doing so well is because of this the EIP 1559. So since the merge, so it's been 39 days. We can see here the Ethereum supply has reduced in terms of what's been issued into the ecosystem. So here you can see supply change is so plus 1,573, and that's since the merge. And if we were still running with the proof of work network, so if I just change that over to proof of work, so at this point in time we would have been issuing 471,000 ETH into the ecosystem. So we can see here with the whole deflationary mechanics, a lot of Ethereum is actually being burnt. I think it's like 70% of the gas fee, of the transaction fee, that is being burnt. So we can see here, the supply that is actually being put into the ecosystem is actually it's massively reduced versus what it would have been if we were still using the proof of works system. So yeah, I mean that's a plus point for ETH. And potentially when this switches over, we could become deflationary, and yeah, then there'll be a lot of demand for ETH, especially with it being a proof of stake coin now. So obviously it makes it more attractive for big investors to hold it on their balance sheets and and so on. So yeah, having Ethereum as an environmental friendly coin definitely helps its popularity within some of the big institutional investors. But that was just a quick overview, just to show you how we're doing post merge from a supply perspective, and how we're doing from what's been burnt away for Ethereum with the whole deflationary mechanics, and comparing that, I guess, to the old way of doing it, which would have been the proof of work. So we can see here, this whole burning mechanism is working, and yeah, it seems to be doing well for the Ethereum price at the moment. So we'll keep an eye on that and see how it kind of plays out for the next week or so, and yeah, I'm sure in the short instance, if we do come back to these trend lines here, so if we do break these trend lines, then we could potentially see a move up from Ethereum. Let me know what you think, guys. Hit me up in the comments below, and hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. So thanks a lot.